What's up, everybody? How you feeling? It's your boy Pastor Dre right here at creatingwebsite.org, where our mission is to teach you how to create a website. And today I want to walk you through the process on how to edit your two-step opt-in form with Thrive Themes. I couldn't figure it out. I was on a mission, but I finally figured it out. Okay, so once you import your two-step opt-in form, which you probably already done, you went to template setup, put your landing page template in there. This is the one that I use. And then I use the one that says two-step, which is, where is it at? Right here. I clicked that one, okay? So when it took me there, I kind of edited the page a little bit, and it left me with the first step. Yes, I would like my 5 free DJ jobs. But when I clicked this, it was giving me this. And it wasn't custom. I couldn't figure out how to get to the second part of the form. But I figured it out, so I'm going to show you. So what I did is I click on the button. Okay, you want to make sure you click the button, not the text, but the button. It's going to give you these options. You want to go to the right where it says animation and action. You're going to click that. Then it's going to give you a pencil where you're going to click that. And here is the form. So you want to click edit lightbox. Okay, now it's going to take you to the light box that pops up where you can do your editing. So what I did is I just came over here, added my own image, which you could do that by clicking change image. And I just chose this one, which is already in there. And to add it to my email account, I went to to my Aweber account. I clicked on here, and then I just went over here to edit, and put my mailing list. Then I went continue, and then I added email and name. Then I hit next, and then I redirected it to a custom URL, and that's pretty much it. Then you hit save. Okay, so now when I hit the pop-up box, it's going to give me my own custom image, and my form is connected to my email, my email Aweber. So that's how you do it. I hope this has helped you out. It took me a while to find it, but we got it. This is a little Thrive Architect or Thrive Themes behind the scene tutorial. All right, thanks for tuning in. Our mission is to teach you how to create a website. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. God bless you.